Do you like surprises? This story is about a boy named Ali who found something unexpected on a rainy day. Read until the end to see what happens. Ali was walking home from school. Dark clouds covered the sky. Rain started to fall. He opened his small red umbrella and walked quickly. Suddenly, Ali heard a soft meow near the street. He looked down and saw a tiny red kitten under a bench. It looked scared and hungry. Ali picked up the kitten gently. "Don't worry, little one," he said. The kitten purred softly. Ali covered it with his jacket and continued walking. When Ali arrived home, he gave the kitten some warm milk. The kitten drank happily. Ali smiled, feeling proud. He decided to keep the kitten. That night, Ali named the kitten Rainy. He learned that sometimes the most unexpected things can make you very happy.